Stelbot Adventures.
Today we are at the Chesapeake KOA.
This is a KOA resort. It's the first one of its kind that we're going to be at.
So come and check it out with us.
The Cape Charles Chesapeake Bay KOA Resort is located on the same property as the Sunset Beach Hotel. To check into the campground, first you have to walk through the lobby and then you hang right to enter the camp store. The store is quite large and has many things to buy, including clothing, supplies, food, and toys.
A couple treadmills, a couple bikes, a couple ellipticals, a couple more bikes. Not bad. Some weights, couple benches. Hotel over there. Campsites, campsites, campsites. Campsites, campsites, campsites. We're like all alone in this section, which is great. We are at site 521. We're walking down past 508 and 524 across from each other, headed towards the pool. What do you think so far?
So far it looks pretty impressive.
Yeah.
This is the first KOA resort we've stayed at.
Right.
So there's a lot more amenities here than at the traditional ones we've been to.
I'm not sure what those big blue and yellow buildings are.
They're like little cottages or something.
No, but there's the big ones. I wonder if they're like rec centers and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm sure in 2 months this place is going to be packed. Are we going around left or around right?
Let's go left first.
Okay, good. And Jack's spot is right in the middle back there. Out of order. Oh, there's a laundry in there. The laundry's out of order. Yeah, these cabins are definitely newer. Looks like they might have just gotten here recently. Because the wood around the deck and stuff looks pretty damn new. Pool area is closed for now, but not bad. I'm sure there are plenty of chairs and such during the busy season. Not now. New York, 330 miles. Richmond, 116. Campsite catering and online ordering.
Sorry. Oh,
That's
what's the dog that Amy has? It looks just like it.
I have no idea
What
what
kind of dog is that?
An Australian Shepherd and Poodle.
Okay.
Nice.
Our cousin has something similar to
Okay.
it. Aw.
You got a Chihuahua and a Yorkie. I have
Yep.
a Yorkie. Oh, I miss her.
Yeah.
The Jack Spot is a waterfront restaurant that offers seafood, sandwiches, and beverages. In addition to dining al fresco, you can order online in advance and pick up your food and bring it back to your campsite. Jack Spot also offers campground catering services.
We are currently the only ones in our section right now, which is awesome! Alright, we just came from the store. We picked up our firewood so we can have a little fire tonight. Thanks, Aunt, for carrying it.
No problem.
There's our Travato. Oh, we got a neighbor behind us.
Yep.
So we have a brand new sticker to put up on our van. This one is the Unity Blaze from Black Folks Camp 2. And this blaze talks about equality and treating everybody, everywhere equally.
And they sent us this card thanking us for supporting their company mission and promoting unity in the outdoors. Treat everyone, everywhere equally.
We'll put the link in the description below if you'd be interested in checking them out. When you go inside to check in at the reservation desk, there is a fairly large store. There's a lobby area to the left, and there's also a fitness center that you can use.
Right, the fitness center has 2 ellipticals, 2 treadmills, 4 bikes, and it has some free weights like the barbells. in various weights. Looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. The lobby area is also for the hotel, I would assume, but you know, it's good. It's very nice. There are a couple playgrounds on the grounds here. It doesn't look too elaborate, but there's some things for the kids to do. While we were here, there was like an Easter egg hunt or two. They had Easter egg decorating and different things. So there's activities throughout the year, I'm sure.
I would say that the only negative I can think of is typical for, private campgrounds. They're kind of crammed in a little bit.
Yeah, and there's really no trees in between the sites at all. They actually, it seems like they planted trees recently, but they're not very well.
Haven't grown fully.
Yeah, they're not very large, and they're not going to give you much shade in the summer or anything at all. But you do get a fire ring, you do get a picnic table, you do get water, electric, and sewer, all at your site. So not a bad deal.
And the ground here also has some sort of like mat underneath the dirt.
Right.
I don't know how to describe that.
I think that's more just for traction
Yeah.
for the vehicle to get in and out. They have like the strips so that if it rains and everything, you're not going to get stuck because they're not paved sites. It's pretty much on the grass, but in the dirt and in the grass, they have these green mats so that you're not going to get stuck. Give you some traction in and out.
So this was the first KOA resort that we've stayed at, and I'd say overall it was pretty nice.
Yeah, got the beach, got the restaurant. I've seen others that seem to have more amenities, honestly, with like those bounce.
The bounce platform things.
Yeah, those
the kiddie things.
Right, and different things like that, and slides and whatnot that this doesn't seem to have. But I guess the restaurant and the beach gives a little bonus there. So, and this is the first one I've ever seen that has a hotel right on the property.
Right, that's true.
Pretty interesting.
So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up.
Please comment below. Tell us what you think about KOAs and resorts versus the journeys.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.